Assalamu alaikum dear students. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College Naushar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn making a mark sheet in Microsoft Excel. So dear students, we will open Microsoft Excel and we will write down subjects and marks in row number 1, and in 2 we will write down the name and subjects of classes, and in row number 3 we will write down the names of students and the numbers that they have obtained in each subject. So dear students, for example, first name of student is Irfan and he has obtained 40 marks in English, 56 marks in mathematics, 45 marks in science, 70 marks in computer, 90 marks in Sindhi or Urdu MT, 56 marks in Sindhi or Urdu NMT, 74 marks in SST, and 55 marks in 55 marks in Islamiyat. Now dear students, the entries are the marks assigned to Irfan in row number 3 are started from English to Islamiyat. So dear students, this line starts from C and ends at J column, and in K column we will find out the total marks obtained by Irfan. So dear students, to find out the total marks we will calculate the fx formula, fx function, as we will calculate fx function. A menu of functions is appeared here. So dear students, to count the values entered in the cells we will click on sum. Okay, later on we will click on OK. So dear students, in this menu you see that number 1 C3 J3. It means we will find out the numbers that are entered in C3. You see that Irfan is entered in C3 to J3. So dear students, if you will click on the OK, the total marks obtained by Irfan will be 495. Okay dear students, now you saw that I have only found out the total marks obtained by Irfan. Now dear students, this is the sheet in which we have entered the numbers obtained by each student in each subject. Now dear students, we will have to learn that how to give the borders to all the columns and cells to complete the sheet. So if dear students, you are going to print this sheet in this form, this sheet will be printed, but there will not be the tabular lines in sheet, because your sheet will be printed like this. So overview this sheet, we can click on we should click on office button and click to the print. After clicking the print, pressing the pointer of mouse, you will see a menu in which you can observe the print review. So as you will click on the print review, your mark sheet will be printed in this form. There is no border lines in each row and column, but when we are going to print out our professional sheet, we have to give the lines to the sheet. So dear students, to make the sheet in border, okay, we should click, we should select all the lines. So dear students, to give the border lines to all the rows and columns, we should select the cells that we have entered or organized in data. After selecting, we should click on the bottom borders. Then we should click on all borders. So dear students, this your sheet has been bordered. Now dear students, your lecture is ended here and your homework is to make the same mark sheet by looking from the video, and you will have to find out the total from Earth's marks obtained to the Sun. It means that I have found only the total numbers of Irfan, and your homework is to find out the remaining totals of each student. So dear students, your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students.